This channel has over 4 million subscribers, and it gained them by posting simple, short-form game simulations. The channel is called BeamNG Freestyle, and some of its videos have pulled in unbelievable numbers. One video has 214 million views, another has reached 182 million, while another is currently sitting at 149 million views. And the content is surprisingly simple: simulated vehicle crashes, giant obstacles, destruction tests, and survival challenges. Altogether, the channel has generated more than 2 billion views. Even at an RPM of just 5 cents per 1,000 views, that works out to roughly $100,000 in estimated revenue. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate these videos step by step. I've built a complete master prompt that handles the entire workflow, from generating the ideas to creating the final video prompts. But first, check out this short example I made for the niche. Everything you just watched was generated using AI. And before the video ends, I'll explain how you can get the master prompt completely free. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next trend. Let's begin. The first thing you'll need for this workflow is a chatbot. As you can see, I already have ChatGPT open, and I'm going to use it to automate the entire process. You can also test the workflow with Google Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, or another capable chatbot, depending on the access available to you. I'm using ChatGPT because it offers free access and works perfectly for this process. Once your chatbot is ready, the next thing you need is the Google document I created specifically for this video. Inside that document is the complete master prompt for generating these game-style vehicle destruction and survival videos. This is honestly one of the most detailed prompts I've built because I spent a lot of time testing and improving it to make sure the workflow produces consistent results. Once you get access to the prompt, select and copy the entire thing. Make sure you copy every section carefully because the prompt is quite long, and each instruction plays an important role in the final output. After copying the complete prompt, return to your chatbot. I'm using ChatGPT, so I'll paste the master prompt directly into the chat and click Send. ChatGPT will process the instructions and immediately display different categories you can choose from for this niche. As you can see, we have options such as giant rotating hammer tests, hydraulic compression tests, extreme speed survival tests, rolling boulder challenges, vehicle barrier tests, broken bridge challenges, and several other vehicle destruction formats. For our first test, I'm going to select the hydraulic compression test. Copy the category name or type its number into the chat, and then click Send. Once you select a category, the chatbot will ask how many clips you want to create. You can choose 3 connected 10-second clips for a complete 30-second comparison video, 4 connected clips for a 40-second video, or a larger batch of independent prompts. For this example, I'm selecting option A, which gives us 3 10-second clips. That means the final comparison video will be approximately 30 seconds long and will feature 3 different vehicles facing the same challenge. I'll paste option A into the chat and click Send. The chatbot will now process that selection and generate 10 different episode ideas based on the hydraulic compression category. Our episode ideas are now being generated. As you can see, we have concepts such as crushing tunnel, compact versus heavyweight, triple roller compression challenge, narrowing steel corridor, 4-wall compression chamber, and several other vehicle crushing ideas. For this test, I'm going to choose narrowing steel corridor because it sounds visually interesting and should create a strong compression effect. Let the chatbot finish generating all 10 options before making your selection. Once the full list is ready, copy the selected idea, paste it into the chat, and click Send. The chatbot will then build the complete production package for that episode. Once the response is ready, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the video. It includes the episode title, selected category, number of clips, total duration, vehicle lineup, location, obstacle design, winner, and the overall structure of the challenge. You'll also see a continuity Bible. This section locks important details such as the road and environment, lighting and weather, camera position, vehicle colors, obstacle design, compression machine movement, impact direction, damage behavior, and the final finish line. These instructions help keep the environment and vehicles consistent across all the generated clips. After the continuity section, the chatbot will provide a separate video generation prompt for each clip. For now, we're going to test clip 1. Wait until the entire clip 1 prompt has finished generating, then copy only that section carefully. Do not combine it with the other clips because each clip must be generated separately. Once you've copied the first video prompt, open Google Flow. I've already generated several tests here, but I'll show you the exact settings I used. Open the settings panel and make sure video mode is selected. For the aspect ratio, choose 9:16 when creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. You can select 16:9 when creating a long-form YouTube video. Set the number of outputs to 1 so you can conserve your available credits. For the video model, select OmniFlash and set the video duration to 10 seconds. The free credit amount displayed on your account may be different, and availability can change over time. Use whatever credits are available to you when testing the workflow. Now, paste the Clip 1 prompt into the generation box and click Generate. The platform will begin processing the vehicle compression scene. Our first video is ready. Let's preview the result and see how the hydraulic compression test turned out. That looks really good. You can clearly see the vehicle approaching the compression machine, the machinery making physical contact, and the car's body deforming under the pressure. The impact, vehicle damage, and entire crash sequence look realistic and closely match the type of game-style vehicle destruction content we studied. This confirms that the first category works. Now, let's return to ChatGPT and test another challenge. Scroll back to the original category list and select Giant Rotating Hammer Test. Paste the selection into the chat and click Send. Just like before, the chatbot will ask how many clips you want. I'm selecting the first option again. 3 connected 10-second clips for a 30-second vehicle comparison. Once that is submitted, ChatGPT will generate 10 different giant hammer episode ideas. As you can see, we have concepts such as emergency vehicles versus giant steel hammer, supercar timing challenge, heavy truck hammer survival test, and several other vehicle combinations. The first idea sounds especially interesting, so I'm going to select emergency vehicles versus giant steel hammer. Wait for the chatbot to finish generating all 10 ideas, then paste your chosen episode into the chat and click Send. The complete production package is now ready. You can see the continuity Bible, landscape design, lighting, background appearance, obstacle design, camera position, vehicle details, impact direction, and final finish line. The hammer is instructed to rotate continuously around one fixed mechanical axis at a steady speed. This prevents the obstacle from randomly stopping, reversing, changing shape, or glitching during the video. The camera is positioned in front of the approaching vehicle, so the front of the car and the rotating hammer remain visible in the same frame. After the hammer makes physical contact, the vehicle is launched away from the obstacle. The camera then follows the damaged vehicle as it crashes, settles, produces smoke, and develops a small, controlled engine fire. Now scroll down until you reach Clip 1 video prompt. Wait for the full prompt to finish generating, then copy only the Clip 1 section. Make sure you don't accidentally include Clip 2 or any unrelated instructions. Return to Google Flow and paste the giant hammer animation prompt into the generation box. Keep the same settings: video mode, 9:16, aspect ratio, 1 output, OmniFlash, 10-second duration. Click Generate and wait for the result to finish processing. Our final output is ready, so let's preview it. That looks insane. You can see the vehicle driving towards the hammer from the front-facing camera angle. The hammer maintains a steady rotation, physically strikes the car, and launches it away from the obstacle. After the vehicle crashes, the camera follows the wreck, and a small fire appears around the engine area. This looks very similar to the type of vehicle destruction videos produced by the reference channel. The prompt is clearly working. To get access to this master prompt, leave a comment saying "car niche" and I'll send it to you completely free. Once your clips are ready, click the download option and save each one individually. Repeat the same process for Clip 2 and Clip 3 to complete your full 30-second comparison video. You can then combine the clips in CapCut or another editor and add vehicle names, speed labels, sound effects, failed or survived text, a winner badge, and background music if needed. After editing, you can upload the finished video to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. That is the complete workflow for creating these game-style vehicle destruction and survival videos with AI. Try different vehicles, obstacles, environments, and winners to build an entire channel around this niche. I'll see you in the next video.